If you want to find out how to have this beautiful, flawless salt and pepper hair from Luvwin Hair, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need.
Alright, so as you guys can see, this hair is from Luvwin Hair. Really excited. I've never, ever, ever, ever done a review on this type of hair. They gave me some goodies, headbands, lashes, melting band, you know the works. And I'm excited to take this out because, my goodness, I have never, ever, ever reviewed a salt and pepper wig before, okay? Like, I'm on my hot granny vibes, okay? But you know what? I love that Luvwin is doing this because, well, look at the color. First of all, the color is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this is honestly going to help older ladies just be comfortable with the color that their hair is becoming. Even for me, honestly, I'm having some white hairs already. So anyway, so I'm showing you guys inside the wig. There are 4 bands and an adjustable band. So I will be wearing this glueless, okay? Yes, you heard me. I'm going to be wearing a frontal glueless. And I'll show you guys exactly how I do that. So this is how it looks right off the bat. So clearly, not much work has to be done. I just literally have to make sure that the lace is the same color as my skin tone, and basically the hair is already styled, so I'm very, very happy about that. It's already plucked and everything. So yeah, I just need to go with that. So now I'm just doing some shedding test. There's shedding right here, but literally just a strand. And then I'm trying to look for more strands and none. So already I'm really, really happy about that because some colored hair really shed badly, but this, as you saw, only had 1 strand so far. So now I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer and I'm going to take my flat brush and I'm going to put it all over the lace, and that's how I make sure that the lace is blended with my skin tone and it looks like it's coming from my scalp. The reason why I use my bronzer and not my foundation is because my forehead is much darker than my face. So I'm not laying it on my face, I'm laying it on my forehead. So yep, I'm just putting it all over the lace. Make sure you get that hairline, make sure you blend it out properly. And as you see, I'm adding more. So just add as needed. So now I'm gonna put back the wig, and you can already tell that the lace is blending much more with my skin tone. And as usual, I will put a before and after right here so you can see what I'm talking about. As you can see, the lace before was really not matching, but now it is. So always just take those extra steps to make sure that your lace blends, even if it is an HD wig. So now I'm going to do some baby hairs. I'm gonna try to see how I want to style it. First of all, I love the curls that it comes with, and I kind of want to do like this like side part, like a messy side part like this. So I'm just going to take the comb that it comes with and I'm gonna do some baby hairs because honestly the key to a glueless frontal is baby hairs. So now I'm going to use this jam that I usually use for braids, but I'm going to use it for the baby hairs. You can also use some mousse. I didn't have any mousse, so this is why I'm using this. Whichever will work, honestly. So I'm just going to put it over there, and I'm going to brush out the baby hairs. And make sure you take your time with this. Make sure that you like the results. No, I don't so I'm loving how the baby hair is looking. And now I'm going to take the melting band that comes with it, and I'm just gonna put it over the lace so that it lays it flat. Yes, this is completely glueless, but melting bands are honestly the trick no matter what, even if you're not doing baby hairs, because it will help mold the lace down to on your forehead. Okay, so now literally as you're seeing, I don't have to style it with anything. I don't have to brush it out or anything like that. I'm just honestly using my fingers to just shape this wig into the style that I want. And I'm turning around so you can see exactly how it looks, how beautiful the back is and everything. And this is basically it, you guys. Like, I don't know, what do you guys think about this? I find that, you know, this is really, like, shout out to Luvwin hair for this, because this is really going to help women embrace their white hairs. Me personally, a lot of my baby hairs are starting to become white, so I always wondered, am I going to, you know, dye it or not? But this is really making it seem like I could look really good with white and black hair, salt and pepper hair. And I just zoomed in on the lace so that you guys could see how nice the lace is. I didn't glue it down or anything like that. So comment down below, tell me what you guys think. Would you ever rock this? Would you, I don't know, buy it for your grandma? Would you buy it for yourself? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now. Oh, and I'm shaking my head just so you could see. It's nice and secure even though it is glueless. Why? Because there's an adjustable band. Okay, honey? And I'm also showing you guys how it would look like if you do like a ponytail if you wanted, if you did glue it. And again, I'm showing you guys in natural light. This is how the hair looks. It's beautiful, like it's really salt and pepper. And I want to show you guys also how deep the parting goes. Like, let's say you wanted to do a middle part, like the parting goes really, really deep. Like, this is a really, really good frontal. And also, if you want to cut that extra lace that's at the top right there, you can go ahead and do that too. So a few days later, I decided to cut a little bit of it, and I just went in with my eyebrow razor and I literally just cut just a tiny, tiny bit of that lace in the front, and this will make it look much better in my opinion. But it really depends on you. Like, if you want to keep that baby hair look that I did at first, or if you don't want any baby hairs and you want to keep it glueless and you kind of just want to keep it like this, you can definitely do that. So after I cut it, I'm just kind of trying to style it a little bit. And yeah, like, this hair is really, really nice. It's giving cute granny. But yeah, honestly, if you have white hairs, just embrace it, girl.